Students, we all have learned about that biomolecules can be divided into two types, like micro biomolecules, macro biomolecules, and these can be of either monomer or in polymer form. Okay, but these biomolecules can be divided into on the basis of their chemical nature, inorganic and organic, these two parts also. Okay, so inorganic compounds are minerals and water, and organic compounds are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, nucleic acids, vitamins, enzymes, etc. These are of organic nature and these are of inorganic nature. So biomolecules can be divided in these two types also. And these organic and inorganic compounds in the cytoplasm generally occur in 9:1 ratio. So, organic compounds is to inorganic compounds. The ratio is 9:1 in cytoplasm. Okay, so chemical analysis of these biomolecules revealed that protoplasm essentially consists of 25 types of elements, which are divided into three categories. These are major elements, minor elements, and ultra trace elements. Minor or trace actually. So these essential compounds can be of three types: major elements, minor or trace elements, and ultra trace elements. You have to remember all these type of elements, the example of all these type of elements. Look, these all are essential. Okay, these are essential for our living. These 25 types of elements that are essential for protoplasm to live can be categorized into three types: major elements, minor or trace elements, and ultra trace elements. Okay, so major elements are 6 in number: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, we know these big four. Rest are phosphorus and sulfur. Okay, they collectively form about 98% of weight of protoplasm and hence called protoplasmic elements. What are the minor or trace elements? These include calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, iodine, and iron. Okay, etc. These collectively form only 2% of weight of protoplasm. So what are the ultra trace elements? These include manganese, cobalt, copper, zinc, molybdenum, boron, vanadium, etc. And these ultra trace elements collectively form only 0.001% of the protoplasm. Okay, so these are called essential elements, and there are three categories: major, minor or trace, and ultra trace. Okay, so you have to remember the examples of all these types of essential elements and the division of or the types of biomolecules also.